got going on here? Hanging out doing big competition. What's that? Got fired. Yeah, it's on the outside. Yeah. 4 feet out for what? Well, it's Monday. The unload is on. Cleaning out part of the trailer. Got to get our backup generator in this front compartment. Got all the wheels and tires out. Moving stuff around. So this is remnants of Friday night's heat race. Look how it just twisted that up.
Which container were you using there for the...
That one right there. Got her stripped down for the most part. Ready to wash, which is probably not going to happen tonight. All of that is from Friday night when they flooded the racetrack while we were running our feature. Just made a mess of everything.
Thank you, George.
There's the left front fender. Right front's just as bad. You see it's all slung up in there. Washing this week is not going to be real fun. Trucking through the countryside of Illinois. Got the co-pilot George with me. Kennedy's back there taking a nap.
Get it?
So Daryn is going to be piloting this car. Brent McKinnon owned 26H on the first leg of the Summer Nationals Tour starting today at Peoria Speedway. They will do Peoria, Kankakee, Grant City, Fairbury, and Sycamore. With the way the points structure works out, they're paying weekly points. Kyle Hammer has been driving this car this year, but he cannot attend one of the nights, so that would take them out of the weekly points. So Daryn is going to wheel it all week long. I cannot go Wednesday or Thursday. Friday night's the only night I can go due to my daughter having a ball tournament this weekend. So Friday night will be the only night we have video, but we are out here to get him loaded up so they can head to Peoria tomorrow around noon. Well, she's stacked in here. Get you a view from the other side. Backup generator, crash cart, Brent's motor dirt bike, pit bike, Brent's pit cart, all his wheels and tires. He met us at Daryn's house. Daryn's got a beautiful place out here.
Yep. Well, hopefully. You hook it up? That's good right here.
One nice thing about Daryn's shop is you can get the whole truck in here and trailer together without having to disconnect it. Yep, got the truck filled. Janitor Daryn's cleaning up the mess. Filling the trailer now. Well, you can catch us all 5 nights on Dirt Vision if you have it. They'll be live there. Thanks for watching. Hope you're enjoying the content. If you are, hit that thumbs up button. Leave us a comment. If you're not a subscriber, you can do so by hitting the picture of Daryn's race car in the lower right-hand corner. We'll catch you all Friday.